Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn a messy, disorganized medicine cabinet into an organized treasure just using Dollar Tree products. My medicine cabinet might not look that bad, but every time you went to get a medicine bottle, everything would come crashing down. First things first, you want to get everything out of your cabinet and write down all the shelves, making sure to get the back wall of the medicine cabinet. Make sure that this is completely dry before moving on. This project only cost $2 to make. I got this 3-pack of baskets from Dollar Tree. It came in white and blue along with this adhesive Velcro. You want to measure and cut out the Velcro to fit the length of each basket. I found the fabric scissors worked best for this. Next, you're going to peel off each side of the Velcro off of the backing. One side is obviously going to go on the back of the basket, but the other side is going to go on your wall in your cabinet. Save the backing because if you get this type of basket, you're going to have sticky parts between the spaces, and I used the backing to put on the inside of the basket to keep the medicine bottles from sticking to that. This is how mine came out, and I'm so happy with it. It took $2 to fix a major everyday inconvenience. I hope this helps you and you will join me in my next video. Thanks for watching.